Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. With Anjra here, we with Mr. Ridwan from Belgium. Belgium, eh? Belgium. There's people into Bandung. We are in Bandung. So, how about PAZ workshop, Mr. Ridwan?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Salam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
It was my honor to come to Indonesia and to be part of the movement PAZ. PAZ is Pengobatan Akhir Zaman, which means actually treatment according to the methodology of Akhir Zaman. That means that we go back to the Fitra. Abu Hamza, who is also the member of PAZ, is actually the inventor of this technique. The people from PAZ found a good connection with Abu Hamza, and now they are actually teaming up to get the power together. They are actually uniting against the injustice that has been done for centuries in medicine, in conventional medicine. So this fitra that we have to go back to is actually the basis for this methodology. That means that actually we refer back to Quran and Sunnah, because the best solutions are to be found in the best book. And the best book is the Quran, and the best teachings are the teachings of the Prophet.
Best manual book of the human.
Yeah. And the best teachings are the teachings of the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ. So because of this different reference, there is another approach to healing. It's another approach to therapy, which cannot be compared to any other approach from abroad or from other ideologies. The people I have met that have been treated by PAZ methodology are very, very satisfied. They're very enthusiastic. They want to come back. They want to make publicity for it. They want to encourage their family to come and do treatment. They travel for 8, 9, 10 hours just to go for treatment. Abu Hamza and the team PAZ, they have helped many, many people with heart diseases, gangria, amputations that should have been done that were actually avoided. Operations, heart operations that cost millions and millions of rupiahs, just actually avoided by these simple techniques, mashallah. So this experience that I have now with PAZ and Abu Hamza and this unique setting that they actually have made motivates me so much more to go back to Europe, teach the people, help the people, and come back as soon as possible, because I don't want to miss out on what's happening with PAZ, because PAZ will be constantly evolving to the better. So I'm convinced that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala brought PAZ members together with Abu Hamza for a good reason, and inshallah we will start a revolution against injustice in the medicinal world, because people are in darkness, and I'm sure that with PAZ there will be some light into the darkness so that people can get hope again, because most people are in despair. They have been trying to find a solution for years and years and didn't find any solution. So alhamdulillah, Allah will bring the right people to PAZ so that they can benefit from it.
Can you tell to us how about bedong?
Oh, bedong for children or for
or children also for.
Okay, bedong is actually the wrapping method, and that's a method in which we will wrap the baby in a custom way. So a baby will be analyzed according to the hip bones and the vertebra. There will be a specific way of wrapping. This means that if we wrap the baby from the start, the problems will be avoided for the remainder of its life. Most problems occur on a later age because of the absence of wrapping method. The wrapping method is the source of the solution, inshallah.
MashaAllah. Thanks, Mr. Ridwan.
Yeah,
I hope you can come here again
inshallah,
to learn about PAZ.
Make dua for me to come back.
Iya. Oke, ini sama Pak Haris dan insya Allah kita akan jumpa di kesempatan yang lain. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.